Jumping on? What's your fit?
Dude, I don't know. I went to this market in Dallas.
You got that shit on.
Thank you.
What kind of music do you like?
I actually make
Ooh. I just make music like on the fly. Do you got like a song of yours you could play just as an example? Okay, I could do something like that.
Okay.